I'll call the docket. First case is scheduled for 10:30, just to see if anybody's here. Case number 564041, State versus Gregory Aguirre, David Volk. I'll recall it 10:30. Set for 1:30. Case number 627657, State versus Samantha Palacios, and that's Eric Reynolds. I'll recall it 1:30. 635-919, State versus Juan Macias, and that is Jeffrey Scott. Jeff Scott? No answer from Jeff Scott.
Your Honor, I received an email from Attorney Jeffrey Scott stating that, well, I asked him to log on. He should be logging on to tell the court what's going on with his client.
All right. Next case, 640290, State versus Donald Odell, and that is Armando Roman.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present.
Good morning, Mr. Roman. Is your client present?
Yes.
Donald Odell? Yeah, I see you. Thank you for answering. What are we doing? I know he's applied for pretrial diversion, right?
Yes, Your Honor, and that's already been submitted.
All right.
Been accepted into the program.
We don't know what we got. We just go ahead and reset it. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Your Honor.
How long you need? 30 days?
Well, he's in the program already.
Oh, he's in?
He's in.
All right. State, what do you suggest on that, if he's already in the program?
Your Honor, I'm not sure. I think it's like 40 days or so to get.
Well, we're going to find out because we're going to reset it for 40 days.
Your
Sounds
Honor,
good.
has he signed the contract, the PTD contract?
Yes.
Then I think a dismissal should be coming.
All right. Well, we'll find out. It's going to be reset for 40 days at this point. 641593.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State versus, your excuse, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Both of you.
Thank you.
641593, State versus Jesse Rodriguez, and that's Robert Gauna. Jesse Rodriguez, Robert Gauna. Robert Gauna is no answer. Attorney Jesse Rodriguez is marked absent at this point. 643447, State versus Malik Lampkin, and that is Angela Blake.
Your Honor, that got reset because it was set for jury trial. Attorney's on vacation most
Okay.
of July, so I reset it for trial August 16th.
All righty, no problemo at all. Case number 644450, State versus Fernando Perez Roman, and that is Ivan Barrera.
Morning, Judge. I'm present. My client is present too, but I think he's having audio issues.
Okay, what are you going to do this morning?
I'd like to confer.
Morning.
All right, then Fernando Perez Roman, you just stick around. Your attorney's going to confer.
Yes, sir.
Scheduled for 10:15 a.m. is Draven Gonzalez, and the attorney is Adam Cobbs. We'll recall it at 10:15. 651928, State versus Roland Reyes, and the attorney is Michael Goins.
Council's present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Goins. Where's your client?
Good morning, Your
Okay.
Honor. I
Pardon me?
have not seen my client unless he's in the courtroom. Neither I nor pretrial have a good working phone number for him.
Okay, we'll give him 30 minutes and we'll see what we do. At this point, he's absent.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Hang in there. 655203, State versus Corey Swick, and the attorney is Stephanie Esparza.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Swick is also present on the Zoom.
Mr. Swick,
Yes, sir.
say something, wave your hands.
Hello, how you doing?
I don't see you yet.
Corey, go ahead and say something again, please.
Hello? Hello, can y'all hear me?
There you are. Well, yes, I got you now. Thank you, Mr. Swick.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Ms. Esparza, what are we doing on your case?
Yes, Your Honor, he's gonna be applying for pre-trial. I just got, I guess, approval yesterday for him to apply, so we'll take care of that hopefully today. And get
I
that,
reset it for 40 days
yes, sir, that sounds good.
to see what he does. All right, you were both excused at this time on this case.
Okay,
And you
All right,
may
thank you.
thank you, Your
have
Honor.
a good day.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
too, sir.
655917, State versus Joe Lynch. No attorney of record. Joe Lynch.
I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Lynch.
Good morning. I would
Are you-
like to be interviewed for a public defender.
All right, you're gonna have to submit an application. If you qualify, one will be appointed to you. If you don't qualify, then you'll have to hire one.
Okay.
Hang in there right now. We'll get back to you shortly.
Yes, sir.
657796 State versus Margarito Güell, and attorney is John Garcia.
I'm
John,
here, Your Honor. I'm here, Your Honor. I spoke with my client 2 days ago, and he wanted me to set it for trial.
Is he here with you today?
He should be. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give him a call. But when I call someone on the number, they drop me from the Zoom call. So he
Well,
should be here,
Make
but
your
I don't see him.
calls. I know he should be. Make your calls and rejoin us. Meantime, Mr.
All right. Okay.
Mr.
Thank
Güell,
you.
Mr. Güell is marked absent, so let me know. 658115 State versus Madeleine Taylor, and attorney is Tanisha Taylor.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present on that. My client is here as well.
Where's Ms. Taylor? Let's see. I see Tanisha Taylor. And how about Madeleine Taylor? Hello.
She's here. There she is.
I see her. Very good. And your wishes for today?
I would like to confer with the state, Your Honor.
You're number 2 for conferring.
Thank you.
Meantime, while we're doing this, Mr. Edelman. Andrew Edelman, is he with us?
No, Your Honor. It's Caitlin Morgan and
All right.
Catherine.
Ms. Morgan,
Yes, sir.
would you confer with Ivan Barrera, please? Is Andrew not with us today?
Your Honor, Andrew is now in jail court, and we have Catherine Pollard in our court now.
Who?
Catherine Pollard.
Spell the last one.
It is.
Well, spell them both. Is it with a K or a C?
It's with a K.
I see her now. Catherine Pollard. Is there a D at the end?
Yes, sir, there is. Oh, she could.
Okay. There's not one on my screen. It stops at the R. Okay, Miss Pollard, would you be kind enough to confer with Tanisha Taylor, please?
Yes, Judge.
Case
Judge.
number 65. Yes?
I'm sorry. Ivan Barrera was first.
Yeah, that's Ms. Morgan is going to confer with him.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
last time I had court, Ms. Morgan was reviewing my case and we reset it for her to review it more. So is it possible that I can confer with her?
Well, I'll tell you what, if you don't mind waiting, instead of having you confer with Ms. Pollard, I'll have you wait. And when Ms. Morgan gets through with Mr. Barrera.
I'll wait. She's already looking at it before.
All right, Ms. Pollard, you've been rejected. So,
We'll try again with the next one.
All right, Ms. Pollard, I'll assign you to the next one. 658390, State versus Natasha Chapa. And that's Michael Valachek.
Yes, good morning, Judge. Ms. Chapa is there on the Zoom call. She had her video on.
I'm
Can
still
you
here.
answer, Ms. Chapa? There she is.
I'm still here, yes, sir.
Okay.
And Your Honor, that's going to be a plea. I think the paperwork's all been submitted, but we'll have to check on that, I suppose.
Okay. I see Ms. Chapa. Very good. It's a plea. All right, Michael, we'll set you up as soon as we can.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
660009, State versus Sam P. Rodriguez, and that is
Mr. Desmarais, Judge.
Greg
Yes,
Desmarais.
sir. How are you
Good
doing?
morning to you.
Good morning. My client is in the courtroom, and that is
Okay.
going to be, should be a plea. I think we've already had it worked out. It's a JSAT, if possible.
All righty.
So we'll just get the paperwork, and I just need to sit somehow, either get him on the computer or however we do. I've never done one when someone's in
If
court.
he's in the courtroom, we can take care of that. No problem.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 660370, State versus Jada High, and the attorney is Stephanie Esparza.
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Good morning, Mrs. Esparza. You answered earlier, didn't you?
Yes, Your Honor, good morning. And yes, Ms. High is here. She just spoke up.
Ms. High?
Yes, sir.
Wave, say hi. Hello. There you are. Thank you, ma'am. What are you going to do, Mrs. Esparza?
Yes, Your Honor. Caitlin was reviewing this for me, so I just made a line for her.
You're breaking up on me. Say again.
I'm sorry, Caitlin was reviewing this for me, so I would just like to wait in line to speak to her.
Okay, well, your Mrs. Morgan is apparently very popular today. Then we have 660407, Michael Sanders. Attorney is Eric Perkins.
That's correct, Your Honor. He's on. We need to confer, Your Honor, but I would prefer to do that offline. I've got, unfortunately, a more crowded Friday than I expected, and I really don't want to tie anybody up, but I understand that Ms. Morgan is her case, and we've already conferred a little bit earlier, Your Honor. So if we could have maybe 30 days, I think that would assist us in getting the case resolved.
Reset 30 days for plea.
That's correct. Well, for some sort of resolution, Your Honor, we haven't received all of our discovery yet. Jeremy Best is co-counsel with me on this one, so it'll be one of us alternately at the next hearing, but I'm covering now because he's on vacation.
All right. Then we'll reset you 30 days.
I appreciate that, Judge. Thank you.
In between, you might want to try and get a call in and talk to them and square it away.
Definitely.
Before the last minute.
We will do.
Thank you, you're excused. 661221, State versus Michelle Cooks, and that's Tanya Rivera.
Yes, Your Honor, Stephanie Esparza here. I'm actually filling in for Tanya on Ms. Cook's case, but we don't think that she's on the Zoom unless she's, but we'll try this morning.
At this point, then, she's afraid to appear.
Yes, Your Honor.
Get her to check in.
Yes,
661293, State versus Maria Arteaga, and the attorney is Stephanie Esparza.
Yes.
Here.
She's on.
Boy, you're really popular today. What are you doing today, Mrs. Esparza, on this case?
Yes, Your Honor. She applied for pretrial diversion just yesterday, so we just would like a reset to see if she gets accepted.
Reset for how much time?
I guess 40 days again, like the other one we had.
40 days and 40 nights.
Yes, sir.
All right. Reset for PTD.
Thank you. May Ms. Arteaga be excused?
I beg your pardon?
May Ms. Arteaga be excused?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. have an add-on for 2 p.m. today. That's Temitop Olagishin. And I'm sure he'll be here too. Anybody that did not hear their name called or was late and did not show up when I called it,
Me, Jesse Rodriguez.
Jesse Rodriguez.
It's on page 1, Judge.
Hello.
Yes, I hear you. Robert Gaona is your attorney.
Morning.
He has not responded either.
Yes.
Are you here, Mr. Gaona?
No, I think he's doing another case.
All right, Mr. Rodriguez, at this point, you are
Judge.
considered Jesse
Judge.
Rodriguez.
Yes.
You're considered to be in the courtroom, so you need to take your cap off, please.
Excuse me?
You're considered
Oh, okay.
to be in
Sorry.
the courtroom. There you are. Thank you. I appreciate that respect. Now,
Judge, I got an email. I received an email from Attorney Robert Gaona, and he is in other courts, and he'll log on as soon as possible.
all right, Mr. Gaona, I'm sorry, Mr. Rodriguez, just stick around then. I don't know how long you'll have to wait, but you need to wait for him to come in. But I'll mark you present, which is important. All right, anybody else that needs to check in with me?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Anybody else that needs to check in that did not answer before?
Your Honor.
Caitlin Morgan.
Yes, sir. I conferred with Ivan Barrera on 64450, Fernando Perez Roman.
All right.
And I have spoken with the felony attorneys. It may be enhanced, but if I can just get 30 days so that I can reach out to them to see what's going to happen with that.
You can get 30 days. I don't know if you'll like serving that much time, but either way.
May I have a reset for 30 days?
Oh, a reset. Yes, ma'am. You're a reset for 30 days, Ms. Morgan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Of course.
She might get 3 for 1.
Perez Roman, Fernando Perez Roman, and Ivan Barrera on this particular case. I don't think you have another one today, do you, Ivan?
Just the one, Judge.
All right. Well, you're both excused then.
Thank you, Judge. You have yourself a wonderful 4th of July weekend.
Well, good. I'm going to be also starting tonight. I start my vacation.
You and me both, Judge.
All right. That's great. Have a good time. Take care and be safe.